Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling Apple stock, and we'll be looking at the big picture first, starting with the daily chart. Recent news headlines indicate Apple's announcement of a $500 billion U.S. investment over the next 4 years, potentially impacting its stock price. This significant investment could signal future growth and technological advancements, boosting investor confidence and potentially driving the stock price higher. Conversely, some analysts express concerns about iPhone 16 demand and potential antitrust lawsuits, which could exert downward pressure on the stock. Let's now turn our attention to the daily chart to examine the price action and identify any correlations with these news events. Examining the daily chart, we observe a recent surge in trading volume accompanied by a significant price increase. This could indicate strong buying pressure driven by the positive news regarding Apple's large U.S. investment. However, we also see some instances of higher volume with smaller price movements suggesting indecision in the market. It's important to note the recent price drop followed by a bounce, hinting at potential support levels. The one-day chart reveals a clear upward trend, but the presence of short-term corrections warrants a closer examination of smaller timeframes. To get a clearer picture of the short-term trends, let's switch to the 1-hour chart and focus on the last 24 hours of trading. The 1-hour chart shows more volatility, with frequent price fluctuations, suggesting increased investor activity. We notice several instances of short-term support and resistance levels within this timeframe. It appears the stock is consolidating around a certain price range, as indicated by the tight grouping of candles. This consolidation could be a period of accumulation before a potential breakout either upward or downward. For an even more granular perspective, let's examine the 15-minute chart focusing on the most recent 6 hours of trading. The 15-minute chart showcases the high frequency of price changes within this period. We observe frequent small price increases and decreases, which suggest rapid shifts in market sentiment. The volume is noticeably lower on the 15-minute chart compared to the 1-hour chart. Let's integrate our observations across different time frames. The daily chart showcases a strong upward trend, but with signs of short-term corrections, as evidenced by recent price drops. The 1-hour chart reveals short-term support and resistance areas, suggesting potential consolidation before a larger move. The 15-minute chart reflects the high volatility associated with short-term trading. However, it aligns with the consolidation pattern observed on the hourly chart. Based on our analysis, several key price levels emerge. The immediate support level seems to be around 244, while resistance is located near 247 to 248. A break above 248 could signal a continuation of the upward trend, potentially taking the price to the next resistance level. However, a drop below 244 might indicate a short-term reversal, leading to further price decreases. The likelihood of these predictions depends on several factors, including the overall market sentiment. Positive news about Apple's investments and technological advancements could reinforce the bullish scenario, leading to a price increase. Conversely, any negative news or investor uncertainty could drive a bearish trend. To stay updated, it's crucial to monitor news developments regarding Apple, along with the overall market conditions. Keep an eye on trading volume as it's a key indicator of market strength. If you see high volume on either up or down moves, it could signal a breakout. In the short term, traders might focus on the support and resistance levels identified on the 1-hour chart and monitor the price movement in the 15-minute chart.